Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, I'm very excited to introduce NFT Car Club. Now, this is going to be a 10,000 collection of NFT cars on the Solana blockchain. Now, before we get started, like always, none of the things I go through in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in anything. I'll leave all the links down in the description below so you can do your own research. But with that being said, let's enter the club. So the NFT Car Club is a unique collection of 10,000 cars designed to emulate really cool and really fast cars. It's a cross between the metaverse and the real world, operating both on the blockchain and around the block. Now, they thought that was clever. I don't know. I'll let you guys decide if that was. We offer membership via the purchase of our own NFT. So as we come down, we can take a look at what some of these cars are going to look like. So on the right here, we have what looks like to be a GTR. It has some carbon fiber mods on here, and it's looking pretty sick if I do say so myself. So despite their comedic genius, they're very serious about hosting monthly in-person meetups and events, and they'd love to have you. So basically, when you purchase one of these NFTs, you're going to have membership to the NFT Car Club, and they're going to have stuff on the metaverse as well as in real life. So if you have other people in your area that own this NFT, you're going to be able to go to in-person meetups and show off your real cars as well as your NFTs. So really cool stuff that they're doing, guys. They're connecting both the real world and the metaverse, which is what I really like to see with these projects. So as we come down, we can see here that with the NFT Car Club, once you become a member or mint this project, you'll automatically be able to get a chance to win a ton of prizes. This includes Solana and even a Maserati car. Now, if you don't like free money, you're in luck. Members are also entered for a shot to win Car Club sweaters, t-shirts, and car decals. So I got a cool little shirt on the left here. They're going to have hoodies and some other stuff going on as well. So even if you don't win some Solana or the Maserati, you're still going to be able to get this shirt here. Now, if we come down, we can take a look at what the Flagship member benefits are going to be. So you're going to be able to join their exclusive Flagship members club. You're going to be able to make revenue from all races. So they actually have an NFT game where it's play to earn, where you can use your NFT card to race against other people that own their NFTs. Then that way you're able to win Solana based on what you do in the game. Now, you're also able to rent out your cars. So you're going to be able to rent out your own NFT cars, and then that way people can make money using your car without them having to purchase the entire NFT. And it is play to earn, like I mentioned before. You're also going to be able to passively watch while others race your cars. So that's what I mean about renting out your car. You're going to be able to rent it out to other people, watch other people race it, and then that way you can make money whenever they rent out your car. You're also going to be able to place bets in races. Now, we've seen an explosive ecosystem with DeFi, horse, and other racing games where you're able to actually bet on either horses or in this case cars. So it's really cool that they're being able to bring that over into the Solana network. So as we come down here, we can take a look at what some of these cars are going to look like. On the left here, it seems like we have a Toyota Supra, the 2020 edition. Looks very cool. It's like a cacao color, which is really nice to see. In the middle here, we can see the Midnight GTR that we saw earlier, and it does have those carbon fiber imprints. Now on the right here, I do believe that we have a Corvette. Please don't kill me in the comments if I'm mistaken, but please let me know what car this is if I am wrong. As we come down, we can take a look and see a little bit more about their NFT video game. So we can see that this game actually pays to play, which is really cool. This is actually just the alpha of the game, so it's going to look a little bit different once it's launched, but it looks very, very cool, guys. Honestly, very excited to see how the game plays and just make some money on the side. So what are their goals? Well, it's really to shift the community towards who they're really targeting with this NFT. It's people that want to be in the metaverse, want to own their own NFTs, but also love cars. So if you love cars and you love NFTs, then this is the NFT for you. It's going to allow you to connect with other people who also share the same values as you, which is really nice to see when they're community focused. They're really just trying to bring like-minded people together. So if that's you, this is definitely the NFT for you. Now, they aim to steer the community in the right direction, not only by being a part of the club, but to earn money without having to sell their NFTs. So once you buy it, there's still more ability to make more money on the NFT without having to flip it. So they also know that the NFT future does have to do with gaming. A lot of NFT projects are blowing up right now have NFT games, and they know that a lot of people that are into the racing and car scene also like video games. So it's a great match that they were able to make and bring into the metaverse here. Now, as we come down, we can take a look at the roadmap. Each mile per hour is actually kind of funny. It's supposed to be the percentage, right? So we were able to see it's the percentage of sales. So at 20%, they're going to be able to reveal the NFT Car Club decals, which again, they're going to be giving out to members and people that mint the NFT. Now, the first 100 holders at 40% will receive an NFT Car Club swag. They're going to be able to receive things like hoodies, sweaters, hats, decals, whatever it may be. They're going to be able to get the Car Club swag. So make sure you're part of the first 100 holders, and that that way you're going to be guaranteed to receive some swag. Now at 60% sales, they're going to be giving away 1 Solana to 10 random holders, and at 80% sales, are going to show the final racing game. So again, they're going to be able to show that off. You're going to be able to play it once we hit 80%. At 100 miles per hour, or at 100% sales, so once they sell the entire thing, they're actually going to be giving out a Maserati, a 2021 Maserati. And if you don't want that, you're also going to have the chance to get $50,000 in Solana if you are the selected winner. Now as we come down here, you can take a look and see who's actually behind this NFT project. You can take a look at their Twitters and their Telegram and just be able to speak to the team as well. And obviously they have really cool cars as well. I'm hoping they're not keeping all these to themselves, but that's very exciting to see here. Now what chain is the NFT Car Club is going to be on? Well, it's going to be on the Solana network. So how many people are on the whitelist right now? As of now, there's 500 members on the whitelist, but if you guys want a chance to win a whitelist spot, actually wait until the end of the video and I'll show you how you're going to be able to get your hands on one. Now, when is the official release? Well, the official release is actually on January 4th. I know it's not updated here on the website, but we're going to be able to see that on the Discord. Now, once we go on the Discord here, we can see that they're very active on here. We're able to see that the community is always sharing memes and just other topics, right? And they're able to actually talk about what the NFT is going to be about. So I do recommend that if you want to be part of this project, just go take a look at it in the description below. You're going to be able to join their Discord and actually get some whitelist verification. Right here on the Discord, they have about 5,300 active members here, which is really great to see. The price of the mint will be 1 SOL, but it's actually only going to be 0.8 SOL for whitelist members. And again, wait and I'll show you how you can get the whitelist spot. Now, public sale date is going to be on the 4th, as well as the minting is on the 4th here. So very soon here, this is going to be minting. Now, you're going to want to get early on this project here. Again, the first 100 people that mint this project are going to get some cool merch exclusive to those people. So it's really cool that they're going to be able to do that. So I do recommend that if you are interested in the project, just go ahead and mint it as soon as the date comes. Now, once we go on their Twitter here, we can see that they've already amassed almost 2,300 followers, right? They have a very good following here, and they're obviously posting on a daily basis. So great to see that they have a lot of engagement on their posts here. Here they have a little snippet of what the video game is going to look like. So I'm just going to play this video quick here. So really cool stuff, guys. You can see the rest of the video by following them in the Twitter. Again, the link will be in the description down below, but just really cool. They have a couple different levels. I see there was one that was on ice and I saw the car was slipping, so they do have some physics mechanics to it, which is really great to see that they actually put a lot of emphasis on the video game here to get more people to actually join the club. Now, I actually left a secret link in the description down below where if you want to get a whitelist spot for this car club NFT, the first 10 people that click on that link and actually fill out their information on here are going to be able to get a whitelist to the car club. You're also going to be able to mint it for 0.8 SOL instead of 1 SOL. So you're going to be able to save some money, guarantee the NFT. So again, click on the link down below. The first 10 people that fill out this application are going to be able to get a whitelist spot guaranteed and be able to get it for only 0.8 SOL. That's it for the project, guys. If you have any other questions, go into their Discord, ask the general chat. One of the mods will be able to help you out. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.